Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you can just open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code here, which is *#06#, and this code displays your IMEI numbers. And the second method is you have to open settings, then go to the About Phone section, and here then go to the status, and here you can find your serial number, and in IMEI information you can find your IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.